Testing, testing. Hello. Good morning, everybody. Matrix here. Live screen share. I'm just gonna record today's session just so I can rewatch it. As you can see on the screen right now, we have ROKU and JD. ROKU being my main watch now. They're down 5% pre-market. Citigroup comes out with analyst downgrade targeting their price of to $50. ROKU here on the daily chart, very important, coming to a $60 level. If it snaps, then bye-bye. Now I need to find some resistance areas. Looking here, 61.20. So I'm going to use that. First resistance. All right. And then next up, probably here, 61.91. I might not do a lot of commentating today on this video. It's basically for me to learn to watch the tape. Blue line, opening print of pre-market. Purple line, pre-market lows. Target 55 if this snaps. 5 minute. 5 minute chart right here. This is interesting. Yeah, 61.20 is really key. So anywhere from 61 to 61.20. Resistance 1, resistance 2. Come on. There it is. Oh. ROKU doesn't react well to downgrades. This is an uptrend snap as well. 62.50. I remember this on my watch list, yesterday's lows. Time is it? 6:23. Just in time. Yeah, yesterday's lows right here. Support 58. Damn. If I can get it to 58 all day fader. Watch rejection at 61, 61.20 here. Let me see. Start one tier. If the offer holds, I'll give it a try. Take it off. Yeah, start one tier. 50 cents marks. The cut loss quickly right here between tier R1 and R2, since there's like a 70-cent gap there. Watch really closely. This low is pretty damn far apart. SPY coming down a little bit, gapping down. Okay, that's the SPY right now. That's the SPY. Big picture. JD, I don't even know if I have time to play JD. Oh, why do I have the 15-minute on JD? Lift. Yeah, I don't have time to play everything else. I want to play ROKU, focus my attention. 4 more minutes. Let's get some water. I'll be right back. Let's go. Nice. 60-50, 60-60. Wow, Lyft just shot up. Here we go, open. $60. Chase it. It's my average 78. It's holding. 92 offer, big offer. Boom. There we go. I missed my cover here. Sold off a lot. Still looking weak. Marshall tape 75. Hitting the offers. 60 prints. Boom. Boom. Use the cover here. I'll take a little bit. It's hitting the 59. Come back to the VWAP. Reclaim of the 50s. Be careful here. 64 hitting. 60s. Hitting the offer at 63, 74, 70s. No reason to worry just yet. There we go. It's coming through. This is coming through. If this was strong, we would have reclaimed here. I want to snap down on add average 59.15. Risking 59.50s. It's reclaimed. I added too soon. Yeah, I added too soon. Still looking weak on the tape here. Take a little bit off. 59.15, terrible. 75 shares left. I shouldn't have added here. Too early. Take it off for now. Oh, what a waste. 59.50s play around 59.75. Well, 59 snap shorted. 58.90s. to relax a little bit. Still selling here at 59.80s. There we go. 60s prints. '50s prints cover half. No reason to cover just yet. Gotta be careful here. Nice little pop. Help bid. VWAP. Still weak. Let's see if this comes down a little bit. Help bid. Probably gonna consolidate a little bit here. See where this finishes. That's a strong open. Covered it. Take it short. If it wanted to come up, it'll keep coming up. It didn't. 59.89. 59.35 risk. $50. Terrible executions in the morning here. Coming down to the lows. 58.80s. Sold off a lot already. Lots of room to the downside though. Held this. Take off a little bit here. Watch the VWAP. Okay, we have a seller here at the 35s. Okay, shorted it 59.01. Sized in. Come on. Help bid 59.10. Come on, 59.01, snap, boom. There it is. Take a little off here. Leave 100 shares, paid myself. Wow, that sucked right back up. Light on the volume though. Could be a wake up spring. Totally missing the JD action, but that's fine. Let's test the lows here. '50s holding. Still coming hard, boom. Paying the offer here. Come on, tape breeze, are you kidding me? Get out of here. Boom, new low of day. I'm paying myself a little bit more here because it's holding up to 43 new low of days. Double bottom potential. Average 59.01. Still playing against this 59.35. So watch it. Too many tickets, bad opening right now. Not enough conviction. Nice clear double bottom VWAP retest fail. Come on, matrix trade better. Focus. Okay, so my average is 59.01 right here. Reclaim 5-minute candle. Sucked up hard. Does it sit on top? Is the price holding under? Going to the 35s area again. Nice. Still a seller here at the 35s. Coming back strong though. Might want this 50 EMA. Bids coming in on 20s, hitting the offer. It wants up. I'm gonna get out. Oh, just in time. Got out at 31. $59.68 pre-market lows. It stuffed it. Let's see how this candle opens up. Battle area right here. Bids flocking in. 60, 46. I don't see 50 prints yet, so we have a seller at the 50s. Oh, they paid over. It's going up. Where was the highest print here? 59 now. Got shot right back down. It's 9 EMA. Bullish. Come on, tape. Run for me. Once. Still paying the bid to 41s. Buyer here. Next thesis. Pre-market low. Dollar to the downside. Seller's candle. Roundup action. Nothing much to trade here. 59.60s. This is right here. Play it against it, risking 40 cents. High here, 81s. I like it. If these spits drop, then it's gonna fall hard. Just wait for this candle to finish. I want to get started. Come on. Wow, what a reclaim. $45 hits. Are these sells in between bids? They're still selling it. Okay, I'll start. 37 my average. Very small starter size. Risking around here. This 59.10 area, very key. So if it goes through, I should add it to the momentum. Went through. Oh, it's coming down. Oh, I should have added to the momentum here. And of course, my stupid shit freezes. I need a better computer, man. It's coming down. Low of day. 58.50 is me. $37 my average. It's holding 59 now. Still hammering it on 59 right here. Another big bid. 59.80s. Oh, come right back. It's a possible higher low. See if it reclaims the VWAP. It's weak. Looking very heavy under the VWAP. I have a good average, so I have 37 average. I want to ruin it. I want to see it stay down. Yeah, hard through. Oh, that's not good. That's not good on the 5-minute chart. That's actually looking pretty friggin' strong. So the original thesis was up here. Should have took it just for a scalp. I don't like this action, this little rounding up. Wow. Tape freezing is not a good thing, man. Oh, they're paying the 70s. Jesus, I gotta get out. Come on, give me a chance to get out. Oh, fuck this shit. It's not 70 cents on a 50 share starter size. Parabolic to the 60s. Gotta wait. Looking bullish. Terrible trading. I had 60 bucks. Now I'm left with 6. Not to mention the lost commissions. Now the chart's looking bullish. Opening price 60.35. I can't have this shit freeze on me like that, man. Holding this area, the 80s. We'll long it back up to the highs here. Too close to the opening price, lots of resistance. It's a massive reversal, man. The volume coming in. Big buyer 60.04. Hitting the offers. Yet the price action is still coming down. check my task manager here real quick. Trying to record the sessions, taking a lot from my GPU. Previous high, 60.25. Testing it. Does not have the nuts to get through it. Volume's a little low though. I want to get started. Oh, it's coming down. No, still coming up. $25 to $34 area. Give me a little bit more. No? Saw the 55 print there. Sorry, what? Prints? Oh, this thing's done. Still in consolidation mode. Still trying to hold this bid. Stock unable to get higher here though. It looks about to roll over. $60.10 took a big size here. It's like somebody accumulating shares here, accumulating on the sell side or the buy side because the print was white. Chart looks bullish. It's gonna rip. Yeah. Oh, little flag. All right. This up move, higher low. Big volume. $61.25. That's what I'm looking for. Could have longed it. Along bit. If I'm looking for a major resistance 61.25, I could have longed it. Still gonna rip. Getting a little extended on the 5-minute chart now. Coming into the opening. Still flagging higher highs. Higher lows. Lots of support. Support. I did call this could be a possible higher low. I didn't have to hold through all this pain. Well, I had to see the VWAP reclaim, and then once it did start ripping, couldn't wait for it to pull back. I had to get out. That was a stupid move. Another reclaim. Definitely looks like a 161.25s here. Yeah. Long thesis. It's definitely looking strong. Gotta wait for the trend to snap. Stop showing me higher lows. Well, this is pretty steep. Look at this. I want to see 60-50 snap. That's what I want to see. Saw a big buy at 75 there. White print. One's higher still. Yeah. Overextended on the 5-minute chart. No reason to long here. The action is slowing down, so I like that. (10:15 a.m.) It's consolidating around the highs, reaching 61.20s. I think it's gonna push again, up real quick and then fail. This is parabolic. There's that. There we go. I'll do starter size around the 95s area. Yeah, right here. I should start soon. Scale into the 61.25s. Come on, give me 60.90s again. It's not giving me a chance to get in. Motherfucker. It's looking weak as fuck right now. Oh my god. Let me in. Come on. Definitely looking weak as fuck right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in. Oh, it's about to roll. Fuck. Come on, let me in. Give me a little bit more push. Play it off to 61. Okay. Still got, I'm paying the offers here at 75. Fuck. It's rolling. Okay, let me in a little bit. It's 50 shares. 72 average. Got bought right back up, eh? This area right here. Volume coming in, trying to push it above. Ooh, looking bullish. Looking bullish. $79 in between paying the offer. Yeah, it's going up. That's fine. This is where I want it. Ah, keep going. There you go. Add 50 shares. 60.82 is my average. 100 shares total. Key risk factor. $40. 40, $50 around here. 61. Add into the snap of the 50s. Thesis to bring it all the way back down to the 60s here. So one tier. Might rip hard. Go ahead, I'm ready for you. Rip it up. I'm ready. You stay above here, I'll just stop out. I only got one tier on. There it is. There it is. Not gonna add just yet. It's gonna wait. Up and above 61. Fighting the trend here, but key resistance overhead. Let's see, is this a real breakout? It looks pretty real because if it was weak, it's supposed to pull back and under. They're still holding it up. This looks pretty real. Dangerous to add here right now. Add through the snap. The 50 snap. Add through the 50 snap. Right? Let's see. Even 85s. For the momentum play. SPY recovering. Here comes that push. Wow, big buyers. 61. This bid's holding the 95s. Still got to be careful here. Bid rips. Oh, wow. Could go 62 as well. Gotta be very careful. No. Nice V formation, nice little tweezer top here. Unable to break. Whoop. Just might see it come down now. '80s area is still holding. Boom. Very nice. Come on through. I should. Adding here is a little too risky, but I had a bigger account. I would have definitely added here there. That's not the move yet, though. It's just the first pull. The move is see it fail and then add through. That's it. Lower high, that's the move to add through. I don't have enough size on this. Oh, big mistake. Not enough size on this. Even if it works, I'm going to make peanuts. 73, 72, 72. Here it comes. 50 EMA for sure. $60.25. Nice little 30-cent gain here. Did not add through. Still holding. I want the big picture move. Trade to hold all the way back down to right here, 59. Give me a reason to cover. Through the 50s. This could be a good reason to cover. Excuse me here. Or this could just be a big pull. And I probably missed it by not paying myself. Holding the high of the opening price here. So 61 obviously very key right now. Give it to the highs. 61.15. The VWAP is around 59.75. Dollar to the VWAP. Damn, I want some size on this. Bear flagging. Do I add? Do I add? No, I don't want to add and screw up my average. Once I add, I'm risking this area, so give me a little bit more price action first before I add. Exercise some patience here on my one tier. Nice pull to the 40s. And of course, my chart freeze now. This is a key support area. This is where I should be paying myself right now. 43 prints. We got a little bit of volume coming in. Could have paid myself at the 40s. Yeah. It's holding up the bid. Come on, give me a couple more pennies here. There it is. Take a little bit. Oh, why? Why? It's looking weak as fuck. I'm taking a little bit. Nice downtrend. Pretty steep snap here. Right, this wave is over. New wave. Nice little scalp. It's gonna come back up. Make the first slower high. So for you guys who are going to be watching this later, I mean, definitely fast forward this, right? 10:30. In my opinion, this is definitely a trade to hold for the day for an all-day fader. Right back down to this area of 59. If not, VWAP first and then 59. Now I'm just looking for a spot to put some size in. I mean, this 60-50 area, this hasn't shown me that it's snapped with authority. This is more like just a fade down, low volume. So it's still kind of like a consolidation. I want to see some big reaction here, like a massive pull through to signal me to get ready to put some size on. Stop toking on this thing. Jesus. Consolidating. Well, while it's consolidating, see this 9 EMA. I find the 5-minute chart here on 9 EMA follows very well, right? Coming into a time right now, just bringing the clock, coming in a time where 10:30, volume starts to slow. Overall, I'm still green so far. Just very little bit, so I shouldn't even be watching it right now because it's basically just a scratch day for me still. I traded so bad here in the morning. No conviction, unable to hold through. I'm not going to talk about the size. It was chase size, so it never really gave me a chance to add in, and I'm fine with that. Double bottom, higher low. This loss I shouldn't really have took. Well, it's tough, right? Because higher low, my stop was around this area, and then it literally ripped through, though. It never really gave me a chance. Nice breach. Following technical analysis to T, could this be a cover pop? There it is. This could be what I was looking for, the ag here. Held really well at the support area. So we could see like a back and forth wave here in this channel, in this range. Coming back into my average price. Now I'm looking for the lower high. Let's see here. Like this makes sense. Yeah. So still looking bullish on this uptrend overall in the long term, right? And I anticipated this little perk. Now I'm watching for lower high to size back in. Still selling it. Where's the offer or the seller at? That's my question. $50 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Pretty key as well. Scroll back a little. Okay. Let's mark this up real quick. Okay, so lower high, perhaps. How's the volume on this lower high though? You know what? I think I could see it better right here. Fake lower high. Not a lower high. Pop through. Wants a little bit more. Is that OCD working for me? Now, coming into this area where there's a little bit fade in volume, the tape doesn't work just as well. The tape is primarily used during the open. When there's a lot of volume, that's when there's real edge, when the tape really scrolls and the colors really come through and you can see the bids and the offers, right? Right now, there's not much edge in using this tape as the tape is very slow. So with that said, I'm going to pay attention to my levels here, my support and resistance levels. We have a nice breach of the downtrend. Now we're consolidating, looking like it's holding a base here around the 50s again. Could be a lower high. From the double bottom. I like blue for my uptrend lines. I like purple for my downtrend lines. We're in a wedge. So once we break out of this wedge, are we going up or going down? That's the question here. Overall, we have a downgrade. Zoom out. Here's a real pull, a bear flag. So this is the bear flag pull. Here we have today might be a consolidation day from bear flagpole or top out around here from R1. I mean, that's the best case. That's the trade I'm looking for, that tops out at R1 or double top at R1 and then just fade all day. Still early in the morning. Okay, snap the uptrend here. Not enough volume though, so could be a little fakey. Just holding this, testing this 9 EMA again on the 5-minute chart. So I would say this area, this is main support. We're doing a little bit of basketball bouncing here. As you can see, this trend line makes sense. Not enough volume on this down snap though, so excuse me. Boom. Like, give me a snap through, retest, and then I'll add. I'm still waiting for that snap through. There it is. Where you going? Where you going, VWAP? Whoa! $60. Nice. Wow, super lag. Like when I'm recording, the reason why I stopped recording my screen is when I'm recording my screen, this happens. The lag happens, right? My computer is sucking up my shit real quick here. Let me show you on my task manager. Just bring it into the screen. See that? So TFS Trader taking a lot of power usage. The Zoom meeting taking a lot as well. Nice snap through though. Definitely the move I'm looking for. So this now becomes a key area for me. Okay. Coming into the next area of support. There's this marked off here. 5980s. Like this area. Huge. $60 mark, right? Even on the daily chart, you can see it as huge. So, with a snap, there it is. Booyah. Unrealized gains, $45. Shitty. Not patient enough with my size, perhaps. Where can I put in some size? I don't want a lot. I just want like 100 shares in just to hold all day. So there's that volume I'm looking for, right? Right here. I'm going to add right now. I'll be risking 60-30. Over and under. Yeah. Still going. Tagging the VWAP. Or I'll feel a lot safer if it comes through the VWAP. Come on. Okay, so if it reclaims 60-30 area here and starts holding, I can make it my reason to cover. Or is this a trade all day swing type of trade? You know what I mean? I gotta decide that. Because this is pretty steep on this pull. Let's see here. Yeah, pretty steep. Probably gonna go sideways a little bit. I should peel some off right now. And lock in some gains. As they're holding the bid at the 60. Why didn't this thought come just a minute earlier? This is a reversal signal. Fuck. $25s. 200 SMA. Lots of moving averages helping me out. Okay. Oh, come on, get back down there. $97 prints in between. Yeah, they're covering out right now. I need to take a little bit more. Fuck. The agony. Missed my chance to cover. Low retracement. Oh, it's gonna bust through. Shit. 60.25 needs to hold it down. Big buyer. Bids holding the 60s. Creeping in higher. I need to cover some. Come on. At this point in time, $60.10 looks really juicy right now. Because they're slowly creeping back up. Right. Fuck. 11. Okay, I'll take 11. Give me 11. Ooh, 60.09. Okay, fine. I'll take some. All right. Took some. And you go ahead. On 25 shares, I seriously have nothing to lose now. Let's set a hard stop. Take a break. Take a walk real quick. Hard stop. Let's see. Right at where my average is. I don't want to stop out, so I definitely don't want to give any money back either. 60, 88. Okay. Let's take a look here at my orders. 60, 88. Stop. My average 60, 82. Give it 6 cents. So yeah, around this area. I mean, if it comes all the way back up and keeps ripping. It deserves to keep going higher. There we go. It's failing the VWAP. And I scared myself for nothing. I mean, I know this is a retrace, right? In the back of my head, I know. Why the hell am I scaring myself? It's following a nice downtrend. Lower high, lower lows. There's still a little bit more to this low if this close under, right? Because this is the previous low. It needs to close under the previous low for it to continue to go down. And if it does, which seems like it's going down. It's coming all the way down. All day fader. Knowing that this is an all day fader, with me having only 25 shares in it, that's a mistake on its own. I'm gonna take a break real quick. When I come back, I'll see if I can find a spot. Okay, I'm back from the break. ROKU. Definitely a playbook type of play here. Analyst downgrade, trend, trade. I mean, plotting this out, this channel right now, under the VWAP, under the 60. So let the trade work. I can turn this into a swing to the 55. It's gapped down a lot though, holy, on daily chart. No swing. Projecting the next few days, gonna come back up and test this area again. Needs to close under 60 today for it to keep coming down. So question is there more to this down move today? I mean, right here, it's pretty nice setup of a resistance. And then we have right here, pretty nice support zone. Really nothing you can do right now. I mean, you can take a very speculative ad here, risk 59.80s, 59.90s to the 60s area. But that's pretty micro. And as you can see, my chart's lagging again. Kind of hard to make moves just without a chart. Gonna make moves here on the level 2 and tape. This is coming down. Next target, 59.35s. JD really not going anywhere. I mean, yesterday I called for a retest of the highs. It never came up. Take a look at lift here. Sold off huge from 75. I think the lift squeeze momentum is done when it tapped out at 75 today and unable to keep breaking higher. This is basically coming back to where it came from, where it started, right? So let's bring up the lift chart. See, that's the lift chart on the hourly, right? Totally snapped at 75. This thing is a swing low, all the way back down, 69.30s. So if lift pops back up to 74.50s, then that could be a nice play. Overall, the market's still grinding lower. Okay, at least for today. I mean, from the highs here, yesterday after hours, it kind of reached to the 289.20s area, right? Now it's just fading off. Reiterate this playbook trade. This is going to be my playbook go-to setups here. Big picture is market pull, intraday fundamentals downgrade, pop and drop. See if it reclaims this VWAP here on Roku. It should stay under here. I mean, look at this consolidation area. This is just a little stairway, sidestep. Probably gonna take an hour or so sideways action. $60.30s. Oh, it's gonna calm down. Boom. This is my home run on 25 shares. Yay! My life. Not enough size. Oh well. It's gonna snap 59.50s. Yes, it is. Cancel out my stop real quick. Reset it to here. $60.33. Oh, it just snaps 50. I don't even have to set it that high. If it reclaims and starts holding this area, then I'll get out. There's no reason to cover right now, though. I'm getting into the mindset of trading not to lose, which is pretty bad right now. I looked at my P&L. Terrible. take a look at the 15-minute chart. Non-stop selling. So basically, and the 30-minute, it needs a little pullback for sure. And the hourly. Nice little fade. You know what? Well, $59.68. Let's delete this. 59.63. So I'm anticipating for it to round up a little bit, I guess. Algorithms taking over now, 11 o'clock. The big picture trade is as long as it holds on the VWAP, then it's still going to be a short. So I'm not going to freak out. Just going to wait for it. Gained almost $1.30 from this trade. So I should be content, yet I'm not. Looking for that. Looking for more. And it's rounding up right now. Every time I cover too soon, though, it ends up going a lot lower. I mean, what would Trick do in this place? He would just set it back to. He would set a stop around this break of this downtrend and just call it. He advocates don't try to aim for the home run. You go out to lunch right now. Cover pop. So we have the first higher low cover pop. Or the first low. Wow, look at this squeeze, man. See what it does at this 50 EMA here. Nice, still a big sell here at the 63. Definitely regained some strength. Coming back into the 9 EMA and the VWAP. Still not scared or reason to cover yet. Okay, now we're at a critical point. The news. Oh, Snapchat opened up today with some nice action. I'm not gonna scroll and look for it right now though. What? Let's take a look here. Snapchat. So slow. Wow. This thing's not a ranger though. It's so boring. Definitely not worth my time. I'm gonna take a look at Baba, Facebook, and Apple. Nice fail here on Roku. Perfect. Wow, that was strong. Nothing really interests me. Baba was actually interesting. I saw a double top there. Facebook under 175. That's a short. All right. Facebook failing 175. What happened today? Did I miss a good trade? 930. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. From here, 175. There's a point. Well, it's not really ranging. High or low on ROKU. This needs to fail. Hmm. Freeze. Every time I try to change a chart, freeze. $60.33. Set a hard stop. Like if it reclaims the 60.33s, I mean, too tight. Yeah. It's 200 SMA working in my favor. Let's see. Broke out of the downtrend already too. Damn it. It's not very convincing though, this up move. Just wicked it back down, wicked it back down. Still a lot of sellers. Oh, Apple. Double top. I bet you the whole chat room and Trick Trade's trading Apple right now. I'm not in the chat room because if I open up my Chrome, there's going to be even more lag, perhaps even a disconnect to my broker. So as much as I want to be in the room right now, today I'm going to make it a day where I make this recording. That way I can go back and study. I need this data, I need this material to study from. And Trick, if you're watching this, I'm sorry I can't be in the chat room right now. Just collecting some data. Sorry. Nice double top on Apple. Look at this. Apple topping out around 200. It's the highs. 1933. It still has room to go up. I think Apple, this is just a really quick pullback. And one could say buy the dip on here. Once it starts forming a base and then a higher low, it's definitely a buy, in my opinion. See how steep this pullback goes. I mean, this is where it last held. It's 98.70, sorry. Here, I Roku, my charts are freezing because the price is at 59.80s. So we're getting a little sideways consolidation here. Wow, bids coming in at the 76. This looks weak under the VWAP on ROKU. Oh, this is gonna fail. Nice. Lower high on this 5-minute candle. Needs to close under this previous green candle for it to prove weakness. We got a minute and a half to go on this candle, so we'll see. Now I'm playing off the 5-minute chart because I'm playing a little bit more long term. Apple hella strong. Oh, nice. It closed under. Oh, it haven't even closed it. It went under. Beautiful. Definitely lots of improvement to my trading. I mean, I'm missing a lot of spots where I could add in, and the reason why I'm not adding in is probably because I'm scared shitless to give back my gains. That's a big psychological issue I need to work on. It's like being afraid to pull the trigger, except I'm already in the green, which is like a playing not to lose. Terrible, terrible way to trade. In my opinion, that's a loser's mentality, actually. I need to fix this shit quick. What I say about Apple, look at this. Boom. Nice pull in. Right back to the 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart. It wants 200. Definitely looks like it wants 200. ROKU, boring. Just going sideways now. It's 11:30. Do I still want to trade or take a new trade? Not really. Especially with this fading volume. Oh, what a squeeze. Higher low. Back above VWAP too. 33 is my stop. Coming back under the 60, that's a good thing. Needs to come under where it broke from. Come under the VWAP. Chart's looking very bullish right now. Unable to make the higher high. Where was this high? 18, 15, unable to make the higher high. Oh man. This right here. Didn't like that. Short-term trades over. Be a mistake for me to let it go higher. Take it off, reset, come back after lunch. That would be the correct play. Chart completely froze. So stupid. And the tape. It's not doing much. $60.05. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording right now. I mean, this is a very nice recording that I can follow up on. Basically, my TFS internet connection just logged out. So I'll log back in here. But basically, that's pretty much it for the recording for now. I won't let this trade go red. I'll tell you that for sure. I've set a stop here at 60.35. So that's probably my last defense here for this trade, to keep it holding, to keep holding. I mean, could I have recognized this higher low? I don't know. Now it's flagging, right? We'll see. Anyways, have a great day. I hope you guys enjoy this recording. I know it's long. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Ciao.